ingenuity in congruence with absolute technological prowess. The Technology Development Board is synonymous to trust and reliance. To give the much-needed thrust to the manufacturing and industrial revolution, TDB has helped convert innovative, precarious ideas into reality towards launching products and services in the market.
The mandate of this board is to provide financial assistance in terms of loan, equity or grants to those companies which come up with innovative technology solutions.
The Technology Development Board has emerged as the oldest promoter of first-generation technopreneurs and proved to be a game-changer in many crucial sectors.
Our takeaways from technology-focused venture capitalist fund is very remarkable. 131 startups. We gave jobs to almost 50,000 people, those were in the technology.
So for us, the most important part in anything is the technology. Once you have the technology in place, then we look at the other aspects. What is your team? Like how good is the team which can execute? Because you can have an excellent idea, but if you don't have a team which can execute it, it doesn't matter.
TDB offers its support to various industries in order to give a right impetus to them to move towards self-reliant India, while at the same time providing a platform to the companies adapting to the high standards to compete globally. Therefore, more often, the enterprise accruing the benefit are either a startup or an established company foraying towards something absolutely new and innovative with high capital investment. As a recent example, TDB was also working towards reaching out to various companies to mitigate the coronavirus effect on their end with a call for proposal. Our enormous population needs multiple approach to improve holistically. Healthcare remains one of the biggest challenges of our times.
Most important contribution of TDB over the years has been specifically with reference to biotechnology. So where we have funded companies which have actually made a difference in not only the Indian pharma ecosystem, but across the globe.
Bharat Biotech, a company synonymous to hepatitis B vaccination. This biopharma giant has delivered over 3 billion vaccine doses all over the world. Little does anyone know that the infrastructure started with a humble beginning of 12.5 crores, entrusted by Equity Funding and Technology Development Board along with IDBI Bank. Biocon India Limited, another biopharmaceutical giant, holds a whopping 1,120 patents and 860 trademarks. The Technology Development Board extended their support to Biocon in the year 2002 for developing mycophenolate mofetil through clay fracture technology, an attractive treatment option including in hundreds of drugs due to its fast absorption in small intestine. Another biopharma major to have been supported for early stage idea is Biological E Limited for H1B combination vaccine. Technology Development Board understood that the vaccine needed indigenization to be affordable to the masses quickly and supported in its development. To set up a state-of-the-art infrastructure for production of recombinant antigens, recombinant monoclonal antibodies and cell-derived antigens for their use in manufacturing of in vitro diagnostic assays, Yashraj Biotechnology Limited has been supported with half the project cost by Technology Development Board. Besides these known biopharma companies, TDB is also looking at startups that have innovative technology to offer.
most of them, they are approaching a startup company, they are approaching TDB. So they have a very good idea and technology. So they are not having a financial support to make it a concept to product. So as a TDB, we are supporting financially to make them their vision happen to meet the societal need.
We as a TDB, we are always there with our industry partners. We are always there to support them in most possible ways that we can do. There are funding mechanisms, and beyond the funding mechanism, we have partnership with some R&D and financial institutes which let them grow in a way they should come out.
Within India, we have signed certain MOUs with organizations like FICCI, PhD Chamber of Commerce, TIFAD, etc. But as far as the international organizations are concerned, we have signed one MOU with BPI France.
India's robust defense system is constantly upgraded and enhanced. Anticipating that the future security would need infusion of latest technology, the Technology Development Board has extended their support to Tata Power Company Limited, Strategic Engineering Division, for setting up a defense manufacturing facility at 50 acres land at Vimagal Industrial Area, Kolar District, Karnataka. The modern airborne system requires detection and tracking a target. The RF sensors, or seekers as they are called, are essentially a high-end microwave radar mounted on the nose of an airborne system. TDB has supported its development and manufacturing by giving financial support to VEM Technologies Private Limited in Hyderabad. These RF seekers can track the target at any angle, velocity and range. TDB's support to Soft-Tech Engineers Private Limited, Pune, is helping develop and commercialize an e-commerce portal to provide design for professional depth and information about building bylaws and building plan approvals. A one-stop solution to address current pain areas in construction project feasibility and building permits during conception and design stages in the world of architecture, engineering and construction space. Cutting sheet metals is a basic process applied across innumerable manufacturing industries. Due to its efficiency, carbon dioxide laser machines are deployed rampantly. Sahajanand Laser Technology Limited at Gandhinagar has developed fiber lasers that can easily replace the traditional laser machines. TDB has funded the enterprise to produce in-house medium to high power 1 micron continuous wave fiber laser. With social consciousness, the Technology Development Board, in partnership with the Indian Division of Department for International Development UK, collaborated to support inclusive, innovative solutions through innovative ventures and technologies for development Invent platform.
The basic mandate of this program is to create a technology entrepreneurship in the low-income states.
The mandate was to develop 160 entrepreneurs, out of which a proud 150 got incubated successfully and 75 startups raised funding worth 14 crores. As a token of acknowledgement and appreciation to the industrial concern, TDB since 1999 introduced national awards in 3 categories.
What we see in the evaluation, some of the evaluation criteria, that how this technology has been impact to the society, how it is relevant to the national importance, goals and all these things. So it is very important thing to give the encouragement to these startups, which is not fully commercialized but also in the verge of the commercialization.
The last 50 years have been truly foundational for science and technology in this country, but the next 50 years are going to be truly amazing because the demographic dividend that we have, the rise of our economy, the positivity and the empowerment.
Be it risk-taking or overcoming challenges, the Technology Development Board synergizes, nurtures and fosters innovative technologies to prosper, into a glorious reality.